Hello, everyone. It's your good friend Jack here, back again with another Wax Daily brought to you by EOS Dublin and Wax School. Not too much going on the Wax blockchain today, so for a Monday, we'll just keep you updated with what is launching. Bit of a mouthful there. And we'll get through it quick enough with one honorable mention at the end. So, yeah, let's get started. Zombie Coin opened their community gallery today, and you can submit your artwork to be featured in the gallery, which is a pretty cool feature. We have covered a little bit on zombiecoin.io before. So if it is something that you're interested in, I believe the gallery is launching at 2 p.m. today, Irish time, so maybe +1 UTC. But if it is something you're interested in checking out, head on over to their social channel or their website and get your artwork submitted to be featured in their gallery. Up after that, we have two quick ones, just little mentions. It is Nifty Kicks and Nova Pangea. Their pack drops do continue today. So Nifty Kicks with the land and military facility crate drops, and Nova Pangea with the Chapter 2 story packs. So both those drops are continuing today. And finally, tomorrow we do actually have another drop by Funko releasing on the Wax blockchain, and this one is for the Dark Knight trilogy. So again, it follows the same pattern where you can get the in real life items linked to the more rarer NFTs. And for this one, they do seem pretty cool. The rarities are the same as they have been before. The designs are in line with what Funko have released on the Wax blockchain before also. So nothing new there. Obviously, the artwork and the collection itself is completely new, but in terms of the infrastructure or the structure of it, it all seems fairly in line with what Wax and Funko have done before. Harvey Dent available. Bane. So Harvey Dent, there's 999. Bane, there's 1900. Same with the Bruce Wayne in Tux, Scarecrow, Selena Kyle, and the Freddy Funko as Lieutenant James Gordon. There's 2,400 of them. So Harvey Dent is really the one everyone will probably be after. And that is launching tomorrow. So that's our honorable mention today. Once again, thanks to everyone for tuning in. This is your good friend Jack here signing off. Again, this video is brought to you by EOS Dublin and Wax School. Thank you to the community so far. The response has been amazing, and I have noticed that the responses and interactions are slowly increasing. So let's keep these up. And thanks again, everyone. Have a great Monday. Wax on.